For by grace you have been saved, and even faith is not your own. It's the gift of God for you, and not the works that you have done. Don't let anybody boast, for this is God's great gift. Amen. So my grace is all sufficient for each child who is my own. For my strength is now made perfect for each child who is my own. When you're weak, then you are strong, for this is God's great gift. Amen. So this weakness with contentment I'll accept now in myself all my hardships, pains, and griefs that still lie deep within myself. When I'm weak, then I am strong, for this is God's great gift.